Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a few methods to fix Riot client or Valorant is not opening on your desktop when you're trying to run them. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. First of all, you need to uninstall or disable any third-party antivirus on your computer, including Windows Security. So just in case you are using Microsoft default security, all you need to do, go to search and type in there Windows Security and open it up. In here, click on virus and threat protection, and then after that, under virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings and make sure to turn off real-time protection. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. Next solution, open up your command prompt. So to do that, just go to search bar and type in there CMD. Make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc /scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. This process might take a bit of time, so while this is running, you can minimize this one and try the next solution. And the last solution is, on your desktop, right click on Valorant, go to properties, then select compatibility, and make sure this option is selected. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And if this one is checked for run this program as administrator, uncheck this one, then click apply and OK. Follow the same process for Riot client. So just right click on it, go to properties, then compatibility. Make sure this one is checked. Uncheck run this program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Now you can log into your account and hopefully this should fix the issue. Also, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below if these solutions worked out for you. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.